Hello and welcome back to another video. In this problem, we're asked if x is greater than 0, which of the following is equivalent to the given expression? And our expression is the square root of 9x squared. So what we're going to do here is we're going to say, okay, we have the square root of 9x squared. 9x squared is equal to 9 times x squared. And if you have that, you can separate these two terms and just take the square root of each of them individually. So the square root of 9 times x squared is the square root of 9 times the square root of x squared. The square root of 9 is 3, and the square root of x squared you might think is just guaranteed to be x, right? You're taking the square of something and then you're taking the square root of it, so you're just canceling out. But if you have something like, okay, we have the square root of negative 4 squared. Is this equal to negative 4? Well, the negative 4 squared is 16, so we have the square root of 16, and this is 4. So this is not equal just to plain old x. That's why we have the given statement that x is greater than 0, right? If we had 4 squared in here, so the square root of 4 squared, this is equal to the square root of 16, which is equal to 4. And in this case, the square root of x squared is equal to x, right? And this is true for values that are greater than or equal to 0. So with the given information that it's greater than 0, we know that the square root of x squared is just x, so this is 3x, which is going to line up with A. That's your final answer. As always, thank you for liking and subscribing, and I'll see you in the next video.